thanks for stopping at the Cranberry Cornstalk YouTube channel, the channel where we share our love for primitive decor. The last few weeks we have been busy out at Shaker Woods in Columbiana, Ohio, selling all of our primitive decor out there, and many of you have noticed that we haven't released a video here on our YouTube channel. I just haven't been able to do both, but I'm going to share some of the clips that I took out there at the festival when we were getting ready, some of the clips I got while people were walking around when I had an extra minute and I wasn't busy selling. I got some video for you so you can see what it was like once we got all set up and got all of our things placed where we wanted them and the festival kicked off. It's been a fun, busy, exciting 3 weeks, but yesterday I hit a brick wall. I just noticed that I couldn't go anymore. It was so exciting and fun. It just went so fast. But I had to take a break yesterday. And if you do a festival, you'll see that. It's just you're on this high for a while and you're busy, loading, unloading, setting up, making more things, shipping out. And then you get to the day where you just kind of hit a wall and you can't go anymore. That was me yesterday, but I got rested up. I'm ready to go again. I'm excited. We have 2 weeks off here at the Cranberry Cornstalk. We'll restock some of the things that we sold out of, and then we will head to Penn's Colony in Saxonburg, Pennsylvania. I was out there yesterday working on my booth. I have a real problem with bees. I've been spraying. I went through 4 cans of bee spray out there. I have so many nests that I can't get rid of, and they're everywhere. I think I just made them angry. So I'm going to try going back out again today and see if I can get some of them early this morning. I am in the studio and the lighting is poor here, so I apologize. You can see a lot of shadows around the room. I just didn't want to wait until daylight too much to record because I have a lot to do. But just wanted to update you. Thank you so much for talking to us out at the festival and mentioning that you saw us on YouTube. It's very humbling. And I mean, it was kind of funny, the response from you guys. I'm so humbled by the fact that you noticed I haven't released a video and that you love my videos. I love talking to you. I'm really shocked because I know how poor a videographer I am, and for you guys to mention such kind, nice things was a very humbling experience. But for you guys, I am definitely going to try to release another video here. It's not going to be my normal video. It'll just be clips from out there and maybe working on the new shed and getting ready for that. I'm not really making a whole lot here in the shop because, I'm not physically here long enough except to quickly fill a candle order or something that is ordered to be shipped. So other than that, guys, it's been pretty quiet here in the studio. I've just been out there in the world with you and trying to sell my wares and get ready for the next Christmas season we've got coming. Oh my gosh, the fall stuff out, and it's our time, guys. It's our time to shine, and I promise to get back with you with more projects, more things to make, more primitive decor, and I think that's everything I have to say. If you like our channel and we've earned your subscription, you know somebody who loves primitive decor, please share the word with them so that they can like our video, so they can watch us and subscribe to us. Just make sure you go over, click that bell, click all. That way every time we release a video, they will just notify you that we release one and you can watch it when you're ready. Thanks, guys, and with that being said, let's get started.